Hey everyone, Technomentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your saved Wi-Fi network on iOS 18. This is a new feature. You can use this to check all of the Wi-Fi connection that you connected to and have a saved password. So in order to check this, first thing you're going to want to do is go to this new passwords app that is on iOS 18 if you update it to iOS 18, and you can see all the passwords, but there's a section for Wi-Fi here. If I click on Wi-Fi, it's going to give you a list of all the Wi-Fi networks that you have connected with a password, and you can see them, and then you can also go ahead and see their passwords as well, or show the QR code if you need to share it with someone, or you can also click on forget this network if you don't want to connect to that network in the future. But this will give you a history of all of the Wi-Fi that you have connected to on this device. So that's how you can check. I hope this video was helpful and useful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.